Hey, hi guys, welcome back to our interesting playlist that is a master in Linq query. In this video, we are going to understand very interesting concept that is nothing but how we can get the group count from that data table, how we can perform the addition of that group from the data table. So that is very interesting concept, and without any activity, just I'm going to use a read range and write range. That's it. Here I'm not going to use any other activity like assign and all. Okay, so simple read range and write range, and I'm going to perform the group sum. Okay, so let's see. Before watching this video, in case you are new, please subscribe to this channel. Yeah, so let's get started. So for example, suppose this is my Excel. So having these three columns like ID, department and salary. So what I need to do, department wise, I need to perform the addition. For example, so my first department is a AAA. See, I'm going to open the filter, and so I'm going to first of all select the AAA. So AA, my first department, I need to perform the addition of this all and put into the difference sheet. Means what? AA is equal to what is the addition of this all, that is a 10, 35, 40. I need to write into this location. Again I need to get the next group department and I need to perform the addition and put into here. So likewise I need to perform the addition of this all department. Okay, so this is my simple agenda. So without any other activity, simple read range and write range. So yeah, let's start. So I'm going to open this UiPath. Okay, so so some part has been already completed, means get the data from that Excel. So that is very simple. Here I'm going to implement the Excel application scope and read range. So output of this read range activity, that is a DT. So now I'm going to take a directly write range without any other activity. So write range. So what is the input required for this write range? That is a data table. Instead of data table, so I'm going to write the query, and that output of that query is a data table. So that's why here I'm going to implement the query. Okay. So my link query is, I'm going to start this. Always link start from this moon bracket. Okay. So first line is a iteration line. So I'm going to write that iteration line from row in DT. So yeah, this is my first line. Okay. Second line, here I'm going to apply the group. So because I need to create a group, my specific criteria is on the basis of that department. So okay, so that's why I'm going to mention the group row by, that is a X. Okay, X equal to, what is the criteria? My criteria is row in bracket. This is my column. Okay, so my column need the, this is nothing but a property. We can say property instead of that criteria. So I'm going to copy this department, yeah, and paste it here. On the basis of this department, it is going to create a group. After that, we need to perform the addition of that group. So that's why here I'm going to write the into. Then I need to store the result. So here I'm going to write the result. Okay, it is going, just I'm going to create a variable. So that is a result. Okay, so result equal to what I need to do. I need to perform the addition. So that's why I'm going to write the sum. Okay, CDBL. So it is going to convert the that row value into the double. Might be that is a fraction value, might be that is an integer value. So better go with this CDBL, means convert to double. And I'm going to mention that column name, row in bracket, that that is a column salary. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so that's it. And next we need to select that. Okay, select dt dot clone. So dt dot clone means what? So dt dot clone means it is going to get the structure of existing data table. Structure of existing data table, it means that it is going to get the column headers. Okay, headers, it is going to get the all headers only, and we need to add the one by one record into that table. So that's why I'm going to add mention the rows. So what I need to do, I need to add the rows. So I'm going to mention the add. So it is very similar to add data row activity. So add data row, having one option, we have a array row. Okay, so here I'm going to pass the one array. So it is going to add the one by one array data into the data table. So my first column is a department, and might be it is object. So that's why I'm going to mention the dot to string. Okay, So comma, like this is my result. Okay, result nothing but a summation of that group, and it is a nothing but cd bill we are already converted, so I'm going to convert the string. Okay, finally we need to write into the paste into the data table, so I'm going to mention the copy to data table, copy to data table. Yeah, yeah, so this, my query is ready. I'm going to click on save. Okay, and I need to write into the location. My location is this one, f5. Okay, f5, f5, and I don't require any header, so in already disable that. I'm going to run this. Yeah, so this is nothing but a how we can perform the addition of that group, how we can get the sum of that group. It is going to create a group and perform the addition and get the next property, that is a department. Okay, yeah, so like department a, so addition of that all salary is nothing but a 10, 35, 40. Okay, I'm going to check that also. bb is equal to 72880. Okay, okay, I'm going to directly select the second department, that is a bbb. So what is the addition? 72880. Okay, so yeah, we have a correct addition, 72880. So and I'm going to disable this filter. Yeah, so this is nothing but how we can perform the addition, group wise addition. Okay, group wise sum. Okay, so next, suppose I need to get the count. So what are the a department? How, like how many bb departments available into this column? How many cc department available into this column? So how we can get that? So I'm going to delete the right range activity. Directly I'm going to display that. So I'm going to take a message box activity for display purpose. So I want to display, yeah, A, and like count is a 3, BB count is a 1, CC count is a like 2, 3, like whatever. Okay, so I'm going to take a message box. Okay, it is going to open in expression editor. Okay, I'm going to write that same query here also. Okay, so what is the first line? So my first line is a from row in, so my dt, this is nothing but a like iteration line. So this is first line is nothing but a iteration line, row in dt. Okay, in dt. So next line I'm going to write that so that is a group row by, so x is equal to, that is a property. What is my property? Row, in bracket we need to mention the column name, that is a department. Okay, so dot to string. On the basis of department you need to create a, we need to create a group. Okay, so into, so this time what I need to do, I need to get the count. Okay, so we need to store the that group, it is going to create a group. Okay, so we need to store that group into the variable, so that's why I have mentioned that is a grp is nothing but a variable, it is going to store the group. Okay, so group. Okay, so next line, so directly we need to select that, so we need to select the result. Okay, select so x. Okay, so I'm going to create one array, so x dot to string, plus colon, and what is the count of that, and I'm going to mention the grp dot count dot to string concatenation, correct? So this is my first string, department a colon count, bb colon count. So it is going to give the result likewise, and finally we need to display that. So I'm going to create one array. Okay, finally we need to store that result into the array. So array is not possible to display that, so that's why I'm going to convert that array with data into the string. So I'm going to join that all data which is available into the array into like a join. Okay, so I'm going to mention the string dot join. Okay, in bracket, so just I'm going to separate by stand line. Okay, separate by stand line. Okay, comma, this is nothing but my array. Here I'm going to join the all data from that array into the string. That is a string dot join. It is going to display the all data which is available into that array as a string. So I'm going to click on save and I'm going to run this. Yeah, A department having this kind of count, BB department having this kind of count. So it is going to display likewise all department. Yeah. So A having 4, A 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that is a correct. BB 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, correct. CC having 2 value 1, 1, 2. Yeah, DD only 1. So that is nothing but a how we can get the group count. Okay, so very simple and very important, guys. Okay, group count or group sum, that is very important. So many times we are going to like so many times we need to implement this concept. Okay, so always go with this query, very simple and very short, without any implementer 10 20 activity, without any loop and any other activities. So just we need to write the 4 to 5 line query, you will get the result. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.